Yo, for the tournament battle, whatnot. Be honest, man. I love Top Rank. Y'all get down. Best place to text battle. But hear me out, man. This fucking shit was confusing on this one, yeah. Anyways, much respect to your icon. You're a beast. But here I go. I don't even know the people that are in this battle. Huh? No, I'm not gonna tell a lie. I'm not gonna tattle. I'm just gonna spy and unravel on them. I know I got two Kiwis from the Far East, South Pacific, but know this, I'm gonna be more Pacific, your mouth's horrific. Yep, I'm from the South too. But when I pinch your pouch, I'm at the bottom of your bag, your toe tag, you grab, you zipped up fast. I'ma unland, I'ma unhand, I'ma drop it. That's a span, that's a plan. I think we got one more dude in there, he's rocking like the man. That's Elvis. That's Presley. I'm not talking about Deadpool, because this shit's messy. Much respect. You still the king. Yep, you're probably going to win this audio thing. I don't know who the other person is that's in this thing, but much respect to you too, because y'all know MC Fish. Y'all think I'm whack, so I don't have a chance. I'm out. Peace.